Hello guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ville and I make videos about road bike climbing. And now let's fast forward to the mountain. I'm on Trattberg, or not yet, but now I'm in St. Koloman, descending down into the wood here. So yeah, we'll have to see how far I can climb this. Let's have a look together. Alright, now we're back in the game. So yeah, the thing about Trattberg is the further up you get, the less people are around. And I mean, come on, it's so quiet and peaceful. I can reflect on everything. This is one of the moments why I do this in the first place. So yeah, here are a lot of cars. And in front of us it looks like it's game over. So let's check if I can do some meters on this snow ice, but I don't think so. Nope. With 886 meters, I think we've done a quite good job. Alright guys, I thought we could maybe have a look at my bike today. So I am rocking a Votec VRC, and this bike has an Ultegra setup. I have a gold KMC chain, and yeah, my winter setup with the mud guards. There wasn't enough clearance to put them through, so I cut them to fit. So yeah, my cockpit is a zip. It came with the bike. I'm rocking a Garmin 130, which I got new, and I'm quite happy with it. And I'm trying new things. This is how I mount my GoPro Max now. Hopefully you can see me. And yeah, I think the seat post is quite cool by Votec. And yeah, of course the seat is by Berk, the Lupina. Very nice. Okay, after 886 meters, I have to stop now because you see this is the road and no. So yeah, now let's go. Trattberg descent. Woo! Oh. Alright, epic view. That's it. Epic view over Untersberg. Check it out. I can't because I have to watch out for the street and the stones. Alright. Woohoo! Let's send it down Trattberg. This is a bumpy road. Very, very freaking bumpy. Whoops, whoa. Yeah, so please comment, like and subscribe if you want more of this footage here from Austria. As soon as I'm able to travel, I hope I can do some climbs in Italy. I have a long list. Woohoo!